I don't know. You can kind of see it. It is running a little rough. Really leaning that these injector plugs are bad. Like the 3 of them, 3 that aren't connected right, are actually the culprits of why it's running like this. Because everything I see and tested the car is right so far. So I'm a little bit nervous now. This only used to be 2 on the engine, and now we have 4 codes on the engine. This is what I wanted to see actually. We have 4 codes now for the engine ECM. Before, when we were troubleshooting it last time, we only had 2 codes, a P171 and a P174 code. And one with bank 1 lean, the other one bank 2 lean, obviously. The code we're troubleshooting